Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to open device manager in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to open device manager in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, open this PC, right click in this PC, after click on properties, and here option device manager. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy. If you want to open device manager other way, click on start and type here device manager. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open device manager in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.